We use three primary tenses in English: present, past, and future. The simple present describes habits or regular actions, for example, I work, or I work every day. The present continuous describes actions happening right now, for example, I am working, or I am working now. The present perfect describes actions completed at an unspecified time, or connected to the present, for example, I have worked, or I have worked today. The present perfect continuous describes actions that started in the past and are still continuing, for example, I have been working, or I have been working for 2 hours. The simple past describes actions completed in the past, for example, I worked, or I worked yesterday. The past continuous describes actions that were in progress at a specific time in the past, for example, I was working, or I was working at 5 p.m. The past perfect describes an action completed before another past action, for example, I had worked, or I had worked before he arrived. The past perfect continuous describes an action that continued for some time before another past action, for example, I had been working, or I had been working for 2 hours before he arrived. The simple future describes actions that will happen later, for example, I will work, or I will work tomorrow. The future continuous describes actions that will be in progress at a specific time in the future, for example, I will be working, or I will be working at 5 p.m. The future perfect describes an action that will be completed before a certain time in the future, for example, I will have worked, or I will have worked by 5 p.m. The future perfect continuous describes an action that will continue up to a specific time in the future, for example, I will have been working, or I will have been working for 2 hours by 5 p.m. Finally, these form the 12 tenses in English, helping us express time clearly and accurately. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Academy of English Excellence. Your support helps us keep creating simple, powerful lessons for you. See you in the next video.